I can't take him myself. Give me a hand.
Free lunch for the coyote.
Use your knife when they get in close. When you find your head starting to drop, look for a flask. One quick tug will set you right.
You have ridden before, have you not? I'll give you a chance to run around a bit before we wager. First, let's try some sprinting. Press the sprint button to spur your horse. Hup, notice that burst of speed you get it to start? Ain't that a kick in the ass? Hup. Do it again. Hup, spurring too much can even kill your horse. Then he'll be real mad. Rest your spurs for a spell, and the horse will revive. All right, let's see you attempt some jumps. Do it again. Hup. Now let's see how good you really are. Let's race. Go! Ha! Ha! Start the race facing the same direction as me. 3 laps round the meadow. Ha! Get ready to race. Ready? Go!